Vornado heaters are engineered with multiple built-in safety features designed to protect users and prevent accidents during operation. The first safety feature is automatic shutoff for overheating. This system monitors internal temperature and immediately cuts power if the heater gets too hot. Tip-over protection is the second critical feature. If the heater is tilted more than 10 degrees from vertical, it immediately shuts off to prevent fire hazards. The third feature is the Cool Touch cabinet design, which keeps the exterior surface safe to touch even during operation, preventing accidental burns. The most common issue with Vornado heaters is the activation of safety shutoff due to blocked air inlets or outlets. When airflow is restricted, the heater overheats and automatically shuts down. Power connection problems are another frequent issue. Always verify the heater is plugged into a working outlet and check your circuit breaker if the unit won't turn on. Flashing lights on your Vornado heater typically indicate specific error codes. Each model may have different light patterns, so always consult your user manual for the exact meaning. In January 2025, Vornado issued a recall for SRTH small room tower heaters due to defective wiring that could cause overheating and fire hazards. If you own this model, stop using it immediately and contact Vornado for a refund. Understanding these safety features and common issues will help you operate your Vornado heater safely and troubleshoot basic problems before they become serious concerns. When your Vornado heater overheats and shuts off, follow this 5-step reset procedure to safely restore operation. Step 1. Turn off the heater and unplug it from the wall outlet. This ensures complete power disconnection for safety. Step 2. Remove any obstructions blocking the air inlets or outlets. Check for dust, debris, or objects that may restrict airflow. Step 3. Wait 5 to 10 minutes for the heater to cool down completely. This cooling period is essential for the safety system to reset. Step 4. Plug the heater back into the wall outlet. Ensure you're using a standard outlet, not a GFCI outlet, which can cause issues. Step 5. Turn the heater back on. Your heater should now operate normally. If it shuts off again immediately, there may be a persistent issue. Proper heater placement is crucial for safe operation. Always ensure your heater is on a level surface to prevent the tip-over safety switch from activating. For optimal performance, maintain proper airflow by keeping air inlets and outlets clear. Clean the filter if your model has one, and ensure nothing blocks the air circulation path. Important safety reminders. Never use extension cords or timers with your Vornado heater. These can cause electrical issues and safety hazards. If problems persist, or your heater repeatedly shuts off after following these steps, contact Vornado Consumer Services at 1-800-234-0604 for professional assistance.